Welcome to the IGCSE, your math.
Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the topic Rationalize the Denominator. Let us discuss the rules to rationalize the denominators. So what are all the rules? For fractions in the form 1 by square root a, multiply the numerator and the denominator by square root a. So if it is 1 by root a, you have to multiply that numerator and denominator by root a. Okay, so for fractions in the form 1 by a plus root b, multiply the numerator and the denominator by a minus root b. So if the denominator term is a plus root b, then you have to multiply that by a minus root b, both numerator and denominator. So you will understand more clearly when we are doing the problems. So for fractions in the form 1 by a minus root b, 1 by a minus root b, multiply the numerator and denominator by a plus root b. So we call these as conjugates. Okay, if it is a minus root b, then you have to multiply that by a plus root b. If it is a plus root b, then you have to multiply by a minus root b. Just see the difference. If it is a plus root b, you have to multiply by a minus root b. If it is a minus root b, you have to multiply by a plus root b. If it is simply root a, then you have to multiply with root a. Okay, now let us start doing the problems. So rationalize the denominator. First problem, 1 by root 3. So what is the first step? This is simply in the form root a. Okay, so 1 by root 3, what you have to do is, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by root a itself. Here root a is root 3. So I am multiplying the numerator and denominator by root 3. Okay, this is numerator, denominator. So both these I am multiplying by root 3. So 1 into root 3 is root 3. Then root 3 into root 3. So we can write root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3 by 3 is the required answer. Now we have rationalized the denominator. Okay. So what is rationalizing the denominator? So removing square roots or surds, that is this square root surds from the denominator. So here we have a surd, that is square root 3. So we have rationalized the denominator and got the answer root 3 by 3. So next problem, rationalize the denominator root 5 plus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2. Okay. So here in this problem you have root 5 minus root 2. So what is the conjugate you have to take? If it is minus, then you have to take plus root 5 plus root 2, and that you have to multiply with numerator and denominator. So what is the conjugate of root 5 minus root 2? It is root 5 plus root 2. So with that value I am multiplying, with this value I am multiplying the numerator and denominator. So when I multiply this, I am just writing like this. When I multiply this, I am just writing in a simple way, that is root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. Then root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. So now if I calculate, what is the value I am getting? Root 5 into root 5, that is root 5 square. Then root 5 into 2 root 5 plus root 5 into 2 root 5. Then next step, again I have completed multiplying this root 5 term with this and this. Now root 2 with root 5 and root 2. So root 2 into root 5 plus then root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 square, by root 5 minus root 2, root 5 plus root 2. So this is of the form a minus b, a plus b. So what is the formula for this? A square minus b square. So a minus b and a minus b into a plus b can be written as a square minus b square. So root 5 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square, because a is root 5 and b is root 2. So I am applying the formula. This formula I am writing as a square minus b square. So root 5, what is in the numerator? Root 5 square can be written as root 5 into root 5 is 5. If it is square, root 5 the whole square can be written as 5. Then this we can write it in the single square root. So root 5 into 2 plus 2 into 5. Root of 2 into 5 plus root 2 square is 2. So the next is root 5 the whole square can be written as 5 and root 2 the whole square can be written as 2. So here 5 into 2 is 10 root 10 and 2 into 5 is again root 10 and 5 I have written as such and 2 I have written as such. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now the next step, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and root 10 plus root 10 is 2 root 10 by 3. Now I have rationalized the denominator. Now I have removed the radical term from the denominator. Okay, therefore the required answer is 7 plus 2 root 10 by 3. So this is the required answer. So the next problem is rationalize the denominator 1 by root 3 the whole square. So what is the first step? So I am expanding this square I am writing separately 1 minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3. Now I am going to multiply this. Since it is square here, now itself we should not change the conjugate. Just expand this and first write down the values, expanded value. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into minus root 3 is minus root 3, minus root 3 into 1 is again minus root 3, then minus root 3 into minus root 3 is plus root 3 the whole square. So this can be written as 1 minus root 3 and minus root 3 can be written as minus 2 root 3. This root 3 square can be written as 3. Therefore 1 by 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 root 3. So now you have got the form a minus root b. So if you are getting a minus root b, then you have to write the conjugate a plus root b and you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with a plus root b. That is 4 plus root 2. Sorry, 4 plus root 2 square root 3. Let me write that step. So you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 4 plus 2 root 3 and you have to multiply this denominator by 4 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now the next step, use a bracket so that you won't go wrong. So 1 into 4 plus root 3. So 1 into 4 is 4 and 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3 by, now this is of the form a minus b. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a is 4 and b is 2 root 3. So 4 square minus 2 root 3 the whole square. What is the b term? 2 root 3. So using this formula you can write this 2 root 3 the whole square. Okay. So 4 plus 2 root 3 by, so 4 4s are 16 minus, here you will be getting 2 square. I am giving this 2 separately to 2 and root 3. So root 3 square you will be getting, then 4 plus 2 root 3 by 16 minus 2 square is 4, then root 3 square is 3. So here in the next step, 4 3s are 12. So I have written that 12 here. So 16 minus 12. So 4 plus 2 root 3 by 4. Okay. So now you have got the value 4 plus 2 root 3 by 4. Now we have rationalized the denominator. We have removed the radical sign from the denominator. That is square root sign, that is radical sign from the denominator. Now we have rationalized the denominator. So one more step, we can do it to simplify. So from these two terms, I can take 2 outside. So remaining 2 plus root 3. So from these two terms, in the numerator, I am taking 2 outside. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. Okay, so I have taken 2 outside by 4. So if I divide 2 and 4, if I cancel out, the required answer will be 2 plus root 3. And if I cancel this, 1 time and 2 time. So 2. So the required answer is 2 plus root 3 by 2. 1 minus root 3 the whole square is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2. Now I have rationalized the denominator. I have removed the radical sign from the denominator. So this is the required answer. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment box. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please to subscribe to our channel.